Hello everyone, welcome to English Conversation Mastery course. In this lesson we are going to learn future tense. So for future we have a couple of structures and formulas and I'm going to teach you in a very easy way. First and very simple way is will. So you can use will for future activities or anything. And there are some signs. You should always remember the signs. Like for past we use yesterday, last week or 2 days ago. For present we use always, every day, every morning. But for future, the most important and well-known sign is tomorrow. Then we have later. It means, for example, 2 days later or 1 week later. Then for example, tonight. You can use tonight because if it is morning now, you can say tonight I will blah blah. So let's make a sentence. We always have subject like I, she, or my mother, or anything. You just put so subject plus will plus the verb. Let's make a simple sentence. For example, subject can be I will visit. This is a future sentence. But I will visit who? I will visit my friend tomorrow. So I will visit my friend tomorrow. This is a very simple future tense. You can ask questions, and the question will comes to the first. You can ask, for example, will you visit your friends tomorrow? Will you visit your friends tomorrow? In answer, they can say, no, I will not. No, I will not, or no, I won't visit my friends tomorrow. So here the important thing to remember is will you. In response, I will not, we add not, or I won't. These are the same, right? I won't. The other way, we have another important formula I'm going to write here. So am, is, are plus going to plus a verb. So this is the formula whenever we have plans for future plans. We use this formula. So we say, imagine we're gonna use am. The subject should be I, right? I am going to. Then a verb. A verb can be still go. I'm going to go to, for example, Madrid 2 days later. Because I have plans, right? Maybe I've got tickets. I have reserved a hotel for that. So since I have plans, I use I'm going to. So I'm going to go. I'm going to go. This is one formula. Going to, go. Go is a verb here. You can use the negative form. For example, I'm not going to meet my friends tonight. It means I have plans not to meet my friends. I'm not going to meet my friends tonight. Alright, so I hope you learned something from here, but we are going to practice from the table. So, we use a simple will mostly for predictions, for things that we are not sure. For example, I will call you tomorrow. Yeah, this is a future, but that is not for sure, not certain. Not sure, or we can say not certain. Maybe I won't call you. For example, yeah, this was an example. The explanation is use will to talk about future actions or promises. Yes. The negative can be she won't go to the party. Won't is the contraction of will not. Yeah. Contraction, it means the short form of will not is won't go. In the question, we can say, will they arrive on time? On time, it means right at that time. For example, if they are supposed to come at 9 p.m., they should arrive at 9 p.m. Not early, not late. So for a question, we use will they. Let's make another sentence and question. For example, will your sister study English? Will your sister study English? You can say, yes, she will. Or, no, she won't. So this is a simple way, right? You just add will. You ask question, will they? And for simple future sentences, like for prediction or for something that you are not sure or you are not certain. But if you have plans for future, you use is going to. For example, she is going to visit her grandma. When you say is going to visit, it means she has plans. She already has planned about visiting her grandma. Going to for plans or intentions. You really want to do something. You can make it negative. For example, they aren't going to. Because of they, we should use are, and the negative form is aren't going to play soccer. And also you can ask question like, are you going to join us? It means, do you have plans to join us? Do you plan to join us? So let me write this. You can memorize, you can remember very well. So, do you have plans to join us? Then you can reply, yes, I'm going to join you. Yes, I'm going to join you. And one thing I'm going to teach you right now is, imagine, for example, let me make a sentence. It is expensive. How can I make the future tense for this? It will is expensive? No. So it will is expensive is wrong. You should remember am, is, are, the main verb. The origin of these verbs is be. These are to be verbs. Okay, be. So whenever we have will or something extra, you should use be. For example, it will be expensive. This is the correct form. It will be expensive. Or it can be expensive, or it won't be or will not be. So it's easy to remember, right? Whenever we have, this is alone here, it is. But if we have will, can, could, might, or anything else, it will be be. Alright, so this is the end of this lesson. Have a nice day and see you later.